Hey, what's up everybody? It's Thursday night before the opener at Midway. I just got my engine. We're gonna see if we can get it in the car and get it going. I don't know how much gas we have in the tank of ourselves, but we're gonna see if we can make it happen and update everybody as we go. What's up, Jake?
What up?
You ready to help me?
Yeah, let's get it done.
Off I go. All right, we got to put the drain plug back in. Had to get the break-in oil out of it. They had a little bit left in, and put the water neck on here while we wait. And we're gonna drop her in. Motor is setting in the car. Let's take a look. Motor is in the car per se. Motor mouth bolted up. Fan on. Oil pump belt in place. Belt housing bolts all tight. I mean, it's coming along here. Oil pressure line hooked up. Cool wire on. Getting ready to tackle oil lines, radiator, carburetor, the rest. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Friday morning. It is like 10 o'clock. I was up till 3:30 last night before I could go to sleep. Briefly in the shop till 3, right at, and we're getting ready to get back after it. It went pretty well. Just a little quick recap. I said I just got up today, got back going, but yeah, big shout out to the guys at Modco for bringing the motor to me last night. I know they ran into some problems this week. No hard feelings there. Things happen, I understand. And everything worked out pretty good in this car. I never had a fan shroud in my other one, so had a fan shroud. It worked out. I'm really hoping for no mechanical problems here. Hope it goes pretty smooth getting fired up today. I gotta tie up some lines in here and start dumping some oil in. It's working awesome. I just don't know which way I'm going.
So basically, Dusty worked his butt off till like 2 in the morning. Got up, came out here again trying to finish. It's 1:30 now and we still haven't fired the engine. It's in, we're trying to build oil pressure. We're kind of delegating work. We've got the trailer hooked up to the truck.
Is that the second one over? No, but I mean,
So far you guys have seen the Tony Jackson side of racing. This is kind of the opposite.
Oh, it does go that way. Yeah.
cut it out.
Where is it?
No, we was going the right way or wrong way?
Right? Yeah.
Now we're going the right way.
So the Tony Jackson side is like the far end of the spectrum. This is kind of your grassroots. I mean, that's Dusty's shop right there. Open trailer, cash money late model. So we're gonna give you both sides of the spectrum. By the way, they dynoed the motor and said it made 743 horsepower on a steel block.
Anything, Tracy?
Nope. Still 0.
Hey, don't the gauges have to be on, Dusty?
I don't think so, but you can turn. They have to be on?
I think they do. I don't know why it wouldn't. It shouldn't work if they're off.
Which one?
Maybe because electronics.
He told me that.
That turns the lights on. That'd be the one you want, right?
There it goes.
There you go, Doug.
Yeah, you're building when you spin it.
Okay, good.
I asked him, like, those things on? He's like, no, don't worry about
They got to be on.
Where are we on?
we're like almost 50.
50.
I'll taste it. Don't taste it. You're the kind of person who need a tire.
There's probably a basket over there we can.
Kerosene.
And when I push up,
You want me to hold it?
oh, there it is. Now I don't want to get it too tight though.
It does smell good. I'm not gonna lie.
Let me try that out.
Yeah, we might have the wire wrong.
I think we should check that.
Or hold it.
Go ahead.
That sounds better.
Well, it-
Are you in freak out mode yet?
nah.
This looks like a three-ring circus, but I hope everybody's enjoying the video. It's real and raw from the 4A shop.
And you don't have to take your shoes off to go into the hauler.
No, the hauler is.
That part worked there, Dust. Cranker and see.
Oh yeah. You got fire.
We got fire.
Fire in the hole.
So what's left
It'll be
then?
on the workbench over there.
Lots of gasoline.
But as long as you snap it back on, that way if it falls off and when you're racing, it ain't my fault. Here it's there.
Smart man.
Yeah, that's fine.
There she is.
Okay, so we know fire's right, air's right, fuel. Fired up, Dust. Yeah! It's in front of the wheel.
Oh, hey.
You're going really fast.
Get.
All right, today though, today.
Gone by the end of the night. But you got it. You have to tell him twice. But you got to leave a review on the camera what you think about it. Yunt's Family Jerky. How about Reaper beef?
Is that your jerky that you brought? Reaper doesn't sound like something. And then that's what got me booted to the UPS store because I was on time.
Oh, you actually worked the UPS store today? It's called Reaper beef.
I'm getting old. The last time I did this,
Just smell it.
I really regretted it.
We haven't even.
It smells like straight hot sauce.
Well, just grab some and get your picture.
After the rain.
I was gonna say that's scary. I
Last
want
time I ate something this
You
hot.
bubble guts?
Oh, buddy. And porta potties were a thing. It was nasty and dark and dingy and several changed your mind several times that day.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's going for it.
Holy moly.
It's hot? It's hot? He said it's not that hot. He said it's hot.
No, thank you. It's getting hotter.
It's getting hotter. Did it get hotter?
It's high octane.
Oh no! Are you okay? Don't die.
Oh, this guy will.
Yeah, for sure. No, it's just red, bright red.
It the devil's asshole on the package. He literally won't even touch it with his hand.
No, babe, stop.
Someone do it yet?
Yeah? Dusty did.
You should try it.
You gotta. Nuh-uh, you're doing it?
Anyways.
Nuh-uh. Ah! Is it?
Everybody's going for this one. Nobody wanted the red one. You got a wiener password. You got to show your wiener.
What was that?
You got to show your wiener to unlock your phone. Yeah, I remember in high school, Tony told his math teacher he didn't need to learn math because he was going to be a race car driver. Look at us now.
Golding. Golding.
Oh no, I heard it about mid backstretch. You were just,
Do that yourself.
You got a driver, he's first.
Yeah.
Looked like it drove good.
He said this bitch feels like it's got a low gear in it.
Never had a sorry.
He said it,
That's what he said. He said to myself, he said,
and you heard it.
and I heard, yeah, I went up.
Hey, Dusty.
Get ready for it.
3 seconds off.
100 more points of gear in this thing, it'll be a jet plane out there.
It'll make it
Did you say 100 more?
Don't worry about what we're doing over there, asphalt boys. Hey, the pavement's that way.
You stay over there.
Dylan out.
Sprang out crack core that night. He was like, oh my god. It was crazy.
The only thing you
I have
ate,
to remember.
the only thing you hated are the brown streaks from my underwear.
Ew, you nasty freak. That is not true. If he puts that in and doesn't edit that out, that is not true. He always leaves in the things that you don't want him to leave in. So, well, let me get a good bit. Oh yeah, okay.
Pour back in.
Yeah. Is that what you do? I don't know.
Hey guys.
Oh, yeah.
You got to pour it back in.
Where'd we get the funnel at?
It was in your trailer. I don't know what. You trust him, Dusty? No, just kidding.
If the camera wasn't on, I could do it, but
Oh shoot. Okay, it's off. It's not on.
yeah. Oh, I feel sorry for him. I mean, they're not gonna send me a better cash can. They're just gonna feel sorry for him.
You might get one sent to you. I don't
Maybe.
know. You might get a sponsor from like a funnel company or something.
It makes a catch can. Here's machine. Where's machine? Goes in. Oh no.
Oh shoot! Hurry. It's all good. See? Yep. Good as new.
Just like that.
You never know. Any dumber people sponsor dumber stuff.
My first sponsor.
Aww. Hi, Ellie. Aren't you cold? You're not cold. What's disgusting?
Pull the head off of a bird.
Stop. Why?